So I decided to use Evernote for my resources for this, and I made two folders, one for this class and one for a recipes folder. So in the recipes folder, I have this homemade note I made. This is just a recipe that I make often, so I made it self-made. The other two are clipped from the website, and they are here. For my EDCI folder, I have a few things clipped. The first one is this note I made, basically just notes to myself about which standards we will be covering, and I just went to new note up here and started typing. I added the tag of standards because that will make it easy for me to know when I'm referring to the standards on what the students should be learning for this. I can find all my resources for that there. These are three over here clipped from the website, and I just went to the Indiana standards websites and I went through and I took a screenshot of the ones that are important to me, and then I used the marker to make a note of which one I'm referring to, and then same thing, I tagged them with standards. So they are all like this, and these are what is important. So we will be covering three standards, and I have a copy of the standard and my explanations for why I chose them, and they're all tagged under standards. And then I have another article here that I have highlighted and added some notes to. And I clipped this from my website. I made it available for students on my Google Classroom page as well, but it is nice for me to have a copy of it right here and not have to go to the website every time. I tagged this one under resources because it is a resource that I can use to teach the students and a resource that the students can use for more information. I highlighted this because it is kind of just explaining to the students like why we're not just reading stories. We are using the myths to give us some information about our lives while all covering the standards. And at the bottom here, I just added some notes about why this is important and what I will be using this for in my classroom.